Okay, so Lithiksha, today I am going to ask you the questions related to Abacus level 0. Okay, so what is the answer for 72 minus 2 plus 6 minus 5?
71.
Okay, next question. 32 plus 7 minus 6 plus 3.
30.
Okay, next question. 65 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3.
69.
Next question. 15 plus 4 minus 3 plus 1.
70.
Okay, next question. 77 minus 6 plus 8 minus 5.
74.
Next question. 94 plus 5 minus 6 minus 2.
91.
Next question. 65 plus 2 plus 2 minus 3.
66.
Okay, and the last question. 87 minus 6 plus 5 plus 2.
88.
Okay, very good. Keep it up.